Welcome back, everybody. So glad you could be with me here today. Your good friend Walter here, out in the garden, checking our storm damage from Hurricane Debby. And things are looking pretty good. There's a lot of rain. Some places are soaked. But the biggest thing I have to deal with is a neighbor's tree. It was a walnut tree, fell. And small tree, but what it did is it fell and leaned on both a sycamore tree and another small walnut, and as you can see, they're bent over. And I have cut away most of what was leaning on the tree. I don't believe there is anything left. I mean, as you can see, this just fell over due to saturated soil. It just fell over. So I doubt that either of these trees will straighten back up. Yeah. I'll leave them alone for this fall and winter and probably have to cut them down next year. So now I got all this cleanup to deal with, but that's the way it is. So over here, I don't know if I ever showed you, we have an elderberry right here. And I have, I believe, 6 or 8, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 or 8 rhubarb plants that are acting as a barricade or a deterrent to the deer. So as you can see, I've got a cover crop of peas, daikon, and some buckwheat started here, and I will terminate those end of October and plant garlic in there. Cucumbers are loaded, tomatoes are coming on, and the Danny corn is way up there, beginning to tassel. You might not be able to see because of the sun. I'll see if I can get a better angle. I doubt it. But they're beginning to tassel. And hopefully ears will form and silks will come on in the days ahead. So yeah, just a quick note. We fared pretty well due to the storm, all things considered. I hope you did as well, and I'm wishing you all the best. May you have a blessed day. Walter out.